Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a super easy updo that is perfect for the spring, summer, honestly all year round. What I like to call this is the Jasmine hair tutorial. It'll take you less than 5 minutes to do and it looks super cute. If you have long hair like me, it's going to work perfectly. I'm going to show you guys how to do this using your natural hair. Alright, so for this hairstyle, you're going to need these items. First off, you need a large elastic. You're also going to need at least 4 or 5 smaller ones depending on how long your hair is. Bobby pins. A spray bottle with water because you need to dampen your hair a little bit, a brush, as well as some hairspray. Doesn't matter what brand, as long as it works. First of all, let's brush our hair. It's probably knotted from my shower last night. I'm just gonna brush it.
For the next step, you're gonna wanna make sure that your hair is damp, so I have some water in a spray bottle. And now for the next step, you're gonna take your largest hair elastic and you're gonna tie your hair in a high ponytail. Now what you're going to do is that you're going to take your smaller elastics and section off your hair into about 3 to 4 inch sections depending on how long your hair is. For my ponytail, I typically use about 4 to 5 elastics. You're going to do this until you get to the very end of your ponytail. So once this is all done, what you're going to do is you're going to give those sections a little bit more volume. What I like to do is I like to pull the hair apart slightly in the middle to give it more volume. And then once that's done, you're going to spray your hair down with some hairspray to keep it intact. I like to also use some bobby pins to pin those baby hairs in place. And that's it, you're all done. This is a super easy and quick updo to do when you're in a rush, and it looks super cute.
Thank you guys so much for watching my video today. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. There will definitely be more makeup tutorials, hair tutorials in the future, as I always love finding new styles that really work and that are easy, because I'm a mom and sometimes I just don't have the time to spend hours on my hair anymore. So I hope you guys enjoyed this and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!